June 15th, Disclosure Digest, packed docket today. 6 companies jumped out, including 2 Significance 5 governance stories and an AI infrastructure bet that's bleeding cash.
From NRI's overseas M&A reckoning to a company literally renaming itself after a crypto meme? Lots to unpack.
NRI, ticker 4307. Massive goodwill impairment on overseas acquisitions. What happened?
NRI Australia and Core BTS in North America, both impaired. Poor integration, dispersed resources, project cancellations. Operating profit dropped 57%.
Yet they're buying back 70 billion yen of stock and hiking dividends. That's bold for a company that just wrote off its global expansion thesis.
Their argument, impairments are non-cash. Underlying business profit actually grew 16%. Still, the overseas scale strategy is officially dead.
Park 24 4666. The UK parking nightmare finally hits the statements.
NCP entered insolvency. They're liquidating UK entities and sold Singapore. Took a 12 billion yen special loss. But net income surged 500%.
That makes no sense.
A 31 billion yen deferred tax benefit from the restructuring. The P&L looks great, but cash reserves got halved funding the exit. Classic accounting mirage.
Sakura Internet, 3778. Betting the farm on generative AI.
Investing cash outflows nearly tripled to 24.6 billion yen. Operating profit swung to a loss. Gross margin compressed from 36% to 23%.
And here's the flag. Future GPU investment plans now say undetermined. That's a sudden pivot to wait and see on next-gen hardware.
Plus, Sojit sold down from 26% to 15%, ending the Capital Alliance. Retail investors now dominate over 50% of ownership.
Shibara Machine, 6590. TSMC concentration getting extreme.
Sales to TSMC nearly doubled, now 39% of total revenue, up from 23%. Single customer dependency red flag.
Meanwhile, they're exiting green energy equipment entirely, and CapEx surged 68%. Free cash flow turned negative.
A very concentrated bet on the AI semiconductor supply chain. Board focus has shifted explicitly to PBR and ROE improvement.
HODL 1, formerly Kushim Inc., ticker 2345. This is wild.
Former management illegally transferred core subsidiaries. New management is pursuing 3.3 billion yen in damages. They rebranded to HODL 1 and are now buying Ethereum as a treasury strategy.
A Japanese listed company literally named itself after a crypto meme and put ETH on the balance sheet.
Warrants for reconstruction means serious dilution risk. Revenue recovered to 47 million yen, but net loss is 244 million. Very early days.
Quick one, ticker 8894. They wiped out a 17 billion yen deficit through an unpaid capital reduction.
Moved 16 billion from capital reserves to other capital surplus. Deficit shrunk from minus 17 billion to minus 1.2 billion. But new warrants for 336 million shares at 15 yen. Massive dilution risk.
Watch NRI's overseas restructuring and whether Sakura's undetermined GPU plans signal broader AI infrastructure caution ahead.
And HODL 1's lawsuits? That 3.3 billion yen claim is the real upside if they can actually collect.